Hi, Matt Byer of Matt Byer Organizing with Downsizing Step 5, Declutter the Basement. Like the garage, the basement should have some pretty quick wins. And the emptied space has a new function: collect items to sell. As you extract smaller items to sell throughout your house, collect them in the basement so you make your next steps easier, whatever path you choose. You may also want to hold a zone for items you want to keep to move in the basement. Box those up neatly and it will appear to the potential buyer like you have more storage space. Look at larger items like old furniture first. Try to collect any furniture to sell in one area, but get the discards and donates out through the garage. With the furniture out of the way, that should clear some room for reviewing bins of stuff. Keep it all straight with the zone signs I mentioned in Downsizing Step 4. Save the categories with the smallest items like keepsakes and paper for last. More on that in Steps 8 and 9. One easy to forget but typical category is items to stay for new homeowner. This might include window screens, paint for specific rooms, and certain building materials. These should be kept in one place, like the basement, a crawl space, or possibly the garage. They represent a very remote need, so they should be kept in a very remote location. With the garage and basement decluttered, there's just one external storage area to declutter: the attic, and that will be the subject of Downsizing Step 6. Stay tuned.